Okay, in this new video we are going to learn to use the cycle function. The cycle function is inside the itertools module. We can write from itertools import cycle. Now we define a variable, we can call it letters, and assign this string literal. We can open simple quotes, and inside we can write, for example, A, B, C, D, E, five letters. We can create an iterator we call the cycle function and pass as argument the letters variable, the content of that variable. In a for loop we can iterate for example 100 times the iterator using this syntax: for in iterator. This iterator is infinite, it has not end. We can print the actual value. I will change the variable, the iteration variable. We can call it L for letter. Print open parenthesis L, comma, and the end character will be an space. Okay. There is an error. Iterator. Good. Click over the play button, and we see that this cycle iterates infinitely. Okay, we can specify the limit, as we said previously. For example, it can be 100 times. We can do that in a for loop. I will replace this. Okay. Range, open parenthesis, and type 100, close parenthesis, and in the first argument of the print function we call the next function and pass as argument iterator. This loop will execute 100 times. The iterator will traverse the letters A, B, C, D, E, execute, and we will get this result. Good.